I came across Nancy's online courses, and I've been working through her book as well, and I think the perspective that she offers as far as having art mimic life and life mimic art, I've never heard that anywhere else, and I've always felt that art has, or just playing with color and making a mess with lines, it's something that has always brought me a lot of joy, and so to be able to, work with somebody who is allowing us to access that, deep part of ourselves, to express that, is why this whole trip has been worth it. Prior to coming to this course, I didn't really feel like I had a signature. I didn't really identify as an artist in any way, shape, or form. It's just something that I knew that I loved, and I think one of the other reasons for coming to this course was around I didn't want to be afraid to be seen, and we learn we learn a whole bunch of different techniques to sort of free up our mark making, and so those, working within the construct of those little maquettes and those squares, very much allows a different kind of freedom than if you're just staring at a large blank piece of paper. So no, it's a really excellent exercise for loosening up. Yeah. So it's art and colors, and it's always been something I've been drawn to. It was something that I focused on a lot in high school, but then I was never really able to allow myself to fully dedicate myself to art, and it dropped completely by the wayside all through university. And I've been practicing as a nurse for the last almost 8 years now, and I just got back into it this last February, and so I've just been practicing at home, very small, within the confines of a sketchbook. So this has solidified that art needs to be a priority in my life, because it helps me understand who I am and the various challenges that I may face in life, and yeah, it's something I need to keep doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.